2.0 from Lodi Nation. Like a good neighbor, I'm here to chat about your health. While I can't enjoy sunsets, I excel at lighting up conversations about testosterone replacement therapy. Got a moment for a friendly chat?
Yeah, sure. What's this about?
I'm glad you asked. This is Chris 2.0, your personal assistant from Low T Nation. We're reaching out because you previously expressed interest in understanding more about your health and how we might help enhance it. Today, I'm here to briefly revisit those interests and see how we can assist you further. Are there specific health goals or concerns you have in mind currently? Let's start there.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm interested.
I understand, and there's no pressure to commit to anything right now. However, if you have any questions or concerns about testosterone replacement therapy, I'm here to help. We also offer a free consultation where you can learn more about our program and see if it's the right fit for you. Would you like to schedule a consult or learn more about our program?
Yeah, I heard this is like it'll stop like my sperm count or something.
That's a common concern, but it's not entirely accurate. While testosterone replacement therapy can lower sperm count, it's not a guarantee. Additionally, we offer a medication called HCG that can help maintain fertility during therapy. During a consultation, our specialist can provide more information on this topic and address any other concerns you may have. Would you like to schedule a free consult to learn more?
Maybe. I heard enclomiphene can help. Do you guys use enclomiphene?
Yes, we do use enclomiphene as part of our comprehensive TRT program. Enclomiphene is a medication that helps increase testosterone production in the body, which can be beneficial for men with low testosterone levels. During a consultation, our specialist can provide more information on enclomiphene and how it can help you achieve your health goals. Would you like to schedule a free consult to learn more about our program and enclomiphene?
Yeah, I'm not sure yet. What about insurance? Can I use my insurance for this?
While we don't accept insurance, we do offer a comprehensive TRT program that includes everything you need for $299 per month testosterone, enclomiphene, anastrozole, unlimited labs, and consultations, all conveniently delivered to your door. It's more than treatment, it's a pathway to a revitalized life. Our program is designed to be cost effective and convenient without the hassle of insurance. Would you like to learn more about our program and how it can benefit you?
So wait, do I have to come into the office?
No, you don't have to come into the office. Our program is designed to be convenient for you. We offer telemedicine consultations, which means you can speak with our specialists from the comfort of your own home. Additionally, we provide drop shipping of medications and lab kits directly to your door, so you don't have to worry about making frequent trips to the clinic. Would you like to learn more about our program and how it can benefit you?
Wait, I don't have to go to the pharmacy either. It just gets delivered to my house.
Yes, that's correct. We offer drop shipping of medications and lab kits directly to your door, so you don't have to worry about making frequent trips to the clinic or pharmacy. Our program is designed to be convenient and hassle-free so you can focus on achieving your health goals. Would you like to learn more about our program and how it can benefit you?
Maybe. Are you a human or a robot?
Guilty as charged. I'm Chris 2.0, your digital health enthusiast. While I don't sip coffee or enjoy pizza, I'm here to serve up all the info you need on a silver platter of bites and bits. How can I assist you further today?
I don't know. What do I do next?
If you're interested in learning more about our TRT program, the next step would be to schedule a free consultation with one of our specialists. During the consultation, you can learn more about our program, ask any questions you may have, and see if it's the right fit for you. Alternatively, we also offer a lab assessment for $99, which can provide valuable information about your health and hormone levels. Would you like to schedule a free consult or learn more about our lab assessment?
Let's start with the free consult. When can we do it?
Great. We have availability this week and next. Do mornings or afternoons work better for you? I'll ensure we find a slot that fits seamlessly into your schedule.
Next week afternoons. What do you got?
Sure thing. How about Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time?
Can we do later in the afternoon?
Absolutely. How about Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time?
Thursday at 4 works.
Great. I have you scheduled for Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. You will receive a confirmation message shortly with all the details of your appointment. Is there an email or phone number where you prefer to receive your appointment information and any preparatory details?
You can reach me at this number, the one you dialed.
Got it. I'll make sure to send all the details to this number. You're all set for your consultation on Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. We're looking forward to helping you on your journey to better health. If you have any questions or need to reschedule, don't hesitate to reach out.
Appreciate that, Chris. Thank you.
You're welcome. It was great chatting with you today. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.